Meaning of focused.
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 Focused. Focused refers to the state of being concentrated on a particular goal or task, with minimal distractions or interruptions. When someone is focused, they are fully engaged and present in the present moment, giving their undivided attention to the task at hand. This level of concentration often leads to increased productivity and the ability to achieve goals efficiently. By staying focused, individuals are better able to prioritize their work and avoid getting sidetracked by irrelevant information or activities. Overall, being focused is regarded as a key trait for success in many aspects of life.